In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear payment and shipping info from Telegram in just a few quick steps. If you've saved checkout details inside the app and you want to remove them for privacy or simply clean up your account data, this tutorial will walk you through the exact process from start to finish. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Telegram on your phone or device. Once you're inside the app, look to the top left corner and tap the menu icon. This will open the main side menu where you can access your account settings and privacy controls. From here, tap on Settings. This is where Telegram keeps most of your account, chat, notification, and security options. After you open Settings, look for privacy and security and tap it. This section is especially important because it gives you control over personal data, privacy preferences, and sensitive information stored in your account. Now scroll down through the privacy and security menu until you find the option that says clear payment and shipping info. Telegram uses this option to let you remove any saved checkout details that may be linked to your account. When you tap that option, you should see choices for shipping info and payment info. Select both if you want to fully remove the saved details from your Telegram account. If you only want to clear one type of information, you can choose just the one you need, but for a full cleanup, it's best to select both shipping and payment information. Once you've selected the data you want to remove, tap Clear. Telegram will then delete the stored payment and shipping info from your account. After that, your saved checkout details should be removed, which is a great way to keep your account more secure and make sure old information isn't hanging around when you no longer need it. And that's it. You've successfully cleared your payment and shipping info from Telegram. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick and easy walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.